How to freeze location on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Find My application on your device and then tap on the Me option on the bottom right of your screen. Further, here you will see the option for Share My Location. Go ahead and make sure to toggle off the toggle button for Share My Location, and they will not be able to see your location anymore. Next, go ahead and open Settings and then tap on your name on top of your screen and then tap on the Find My option you see there. Further, tap on the Share My Location option you see there and toggle off the toggle button for Share My Location. This will stop sharing with everyone at once. Additionally, in Settings again, tap on Privacy and Security and then tap on Location Services. Further, go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for Location Services, and this will disable GPS for all apps that includes maps, ride apps, etc. You can also simply try to enable airplane mode for the time being and then disable it again, as this will cut the internet for the time being from your device. And if you have shared location via messages with someone, then open the messages tab and then go ahead and open the contact. Further, tap on the contact name on top and you will see the option for Stop Sharing My Location. Simply tap on it in order to stop sharing your location via messages. Further, go ahead and open Settings again and then tap on your name on top of your screen and then tap on Find My again. Here you will see the option for Find My iPhone. Tap on it and then simply go ahead and disable the toggle button for Find My iPhone, and this will disable device tracking if your phone is lost too. So these were a few ways on how you can freeze location on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.